YouTube, we got our turbo in. So we're not gonna do too much talking about it. We're just gonna get into it.
Perfect.
So this is a T-72. Basically, this bad boy not now, but at some point in the future, I'm going to take the turbo back off. And I'm actually going to port the inside of this so that way it can match the gasket. See how there's material in here? I'd want to get rid of as much of that as possible to have the biggest opening as possible. Let me see what it looks like. Probably port this exhaust housing too and get away with it a little bit. But we're gonna run what we got.
Perfect.
Is there nothing ever? I just drank a Red Bull. I'm gonna go. So we're gonna take the exhaust housing.
Perfect.
And we're gonna put it up there. You look closely here. It is a 96 AR. You can see the 96. So it's a bigger exhaust housing. I'm just snugging it on. So I can mount the compressor. That's the only reason it's going on right now. So this is what we're gonna be looking like. T-72 turbo. The exhaust housing is a 96. So it's a 72 millimeter turbo. We're gonna be moving some air. So we got the turbo mounted, well, temporarily mounted. Tomorrow we're gonna get some hardware, and then I gotta work on the drain. So right now the drain is a little bit longer than it needs to be. So the drain is a little bit longer than it should. So I'm actually gonna cut the drain hose, make it a little bit shorter, get the right adapter, and then we should be good to go. I just gotta make sure it clears the axle, but it should be all right. This is the turbo, T-72, 72 millimeter compressor wheel. This is the exhaust housing. So it is a 3-inch V-band. The exhaust housing is a 0.96 AR. So we should be moving some air. We're gonna have some top end. We're gonna have some grunt lowing. We're gonna be kicking some ass this year, boys. Subscribe, we got more coming. Like the video. Subscribe, what is it? Smash that notification bell. Subscribe to this bad boy. We got more stuff coming. VR6 all day, baby.